Welcome! In this video, we will provide an overview of the SAP Emarsys Customer Engagement Platform. As part of SAP Customer Experience, we support your business to deliver profitable marketing outcomes by providing personalized experiences across multiple channels. Emarsys receives data from various sources. The data collected is used for segmentation, personalization, marketing automation, AI calculation, analytics, and more. With all this data, you can easily identify and reach your target audience, acquire, retain, or win customers back via various channels and build a loyal customer base. Are you ready for an overview? The common challenge of winning back defecting customers will be used as a narrative throughout this video to help you understand our product better. Most of our marketers start by creating an email campaign using the Visual Content Editor, also known as VCE. Emarsys comes with pre-built email templates, but you can also use your own. If you have multiple accounts, you can also share templates and campaigns. If your business operates in different countries, you can easily create multi-language campaigns. To personalize your content with content-specific data, create placeholders, also called tokens. You can use these tokens across multiple channels. In our win-back use case, I send defecting customers an email campaign with a voucher code. I could use this voucher in a mobile wallet campaign and link the past campaign's token in this email. I have various options for personalization to make this email more relevant. I drag and drop a new block in my email to include product recommendations. Then, I insert a pre-built recommendation logic. However, I could also build my own personalization rule and select it as a product source in my campaign. I have loyalty enabled, so I include a loyalty block to ensure that my defecting customers are aware of their membership status. I check how this email would look for my contact by using Contact Preview. I have everything: loyalty-related information, personalization, a voucher code, and product recommendations. Now, let's see how we can automate this email. Both Automation Center and Interactions are used to automate marketing activities. The Automation Center is a proactive tool more suitable for lifecycle engagement programs like a birthday or a retention campaign. We use Interactions for real-time responses to events and actions. For example, to send delivery status updates or prevent a visitor from leaving your web shop without purchasing via a web channel campaign. If you don't want to start from scratch, go to Tactics to generate pre-built programs. In our current use case, I select the Win Back Defecting Customers tactic. Since I have a lot of data already, I want to include AI segments in my program, so I select this option and choose all the available channels for contacting defecting customers. As you can see, the win-back tactic is a program consisting of different nodes, each responsible for a specific channel or action. All programs require an entry point. In our case, it's scheduled to run every day to check who is about to churn. To determine the target audience of your campaigns, you create segments. Segments can be based on contact, email behavior, geolocation, and customer lifecycle data. You can also build relational segments by using your own business-specific data stored in external databases. AI segments use prediction scores to calculate how likely your contacts will act. So, for example, you can target contacts with high engagement probability. Data collected by various channels or the Emarsys data collection script WebExtend can also be used for segmentation. In my win-back tactic, I'll use this pre-created segment, though I always have the flexibility to modify or replace it. Now, let's configure the channels. In this program, there are nodes for email, web channel, and digital ads campaigns. You can use the tactics placeholders as inspiration for your messages. As I've already created my win-back email, I simply select it on the email node. Let's move to digital ads. With this channel, you can target your contacts via different social and advertising networks, such as Facebook and Google Ads with data-driven advertising campaigns. Here, I add a previously created digital ads audience to the corresponding node in the program. To target your customers while they're on your website, use Web Channel. In Web Channel's content editor, I add this image, offering defecting customers a discount for their next purchase. You can also expand this program with Web Push, mobile engage messages, SMS, or offline channels. Web Push does not require an application, and you can send push notifications to mobile and desktop web browsers. If you have mobile applications, you can use Mobile Engage to send push, in-app, and inbox messages for your mobile app users. To evaluate the effectiveness of this program, I add the Value Measurement node. A few days later, I can check the uplift generated by my programs on the Value Measurement dashboard. Now I check the participation, allowing contacts to enter this program only once ever. My program is ready for testing. Everything looks good. So I activate the program. Once your program is active, it's important to analyze its performance. On the strategic dashboard, you can see the impact of your ongoing marketing strategies. The overview of each strategy helps you monitor your marketing activities and guides you towards achieving the desired objectives. I click on Details of the Reduce Customer Churn widget to see the results of my Win-Back Defecting Customers tactic. There are detailed reports for each program and the different campaigns within them. On the customizable Emarsys home, you can monitor your results and access more reports. I want to highlight further reporting-related pages. The Revenue Analytics page helps you understand how your marketing activities contribute to your business results. On the Event Attribution and Conversion report, you can create and measure the engagement of specific events, like adding a product to a wish list and buying it later. Now, let's talk about integrations. In order to sync your customer, event, and order data with a few clicks, we offer various integration solutions to SAP products or with our extensive partner ecosystem, including e-commerce platforms. If you want to feed all the collected data into other applications, you can use Open Data, which is a Google Cloud Platform plugin. It allows you to query and export behavior and response data from different channels stored in the SAP Emarsys platform. This concludes our overview. The SAP Emarsys Customer Engagement Platform gives you many options to manage your account and user profile. Thank you for your attention.